Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to cross-post on Reddit. Now let's begin. Let's go to reddit.com, sign in if you already have not. Once the page has successfully loaded, you will be viewed by something like this, that is the home page of Reddit. Well, let's scroll down. I like this post, so I want to share it. Now on the bottom of this tab, you will find options like comments, share, save, and these three buttons. If you click on it, you will be provided by more options, but for now, I only want to share. Let's click on the share button. And now we are given three options. We can either copy link or cross post, the main topic of this video, or embed. You can copy link, well, the link has been copied. You can embed. A new tab will open, and if you scroll down, you will find the embed code, so you can simply copy it as well and paste it wherever you wish. And the main focus of our topic, the cross post. Simply click on this button, that is the cross post. You will be directed to a new tab, and from here you can select a community to where you want to post. You can change the title, it's up to you. And if you're satisfied, simply scroll down. You can add spoilers as well, and a SFW if you wish to. And once everything is okay, simply hit on post. Now let's view on our profile. It is showing the cross post that we just shared. Let's click on view spoiler. Well, that's it guys. That is how you simply cross post on Reddit. You can see it from here as well. The cross post that we just did is available in our user profile. Well guys, that's it for the video. That is how you cross post on Reddit. Do remember that you can cross post in any community you wish. And that's it guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.